This is the Trauma Career Bootcamp, where high school students get the chance to explore various healthcare careers in trauma patient management at LHSC.
I applied to this bootcamp because I was interested in health careers like nursing and sort of like medicine, and I just wanted to be able to get a chance to look at that before deciding where I want to go.
The biggest thing that I was really excited about was to meet people who were really passionate about their job.
They put us in placements daily. It's just really cool to shadow doctors. Since I've been exposed to different departments of the hospital, I want to go through one that can help the widest range of people.
It's a really once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. This is a chance where you can see other careers and start to see what you like and you don't, because you don't really get that information when you're applying to programs. I've gotten to see a lot of things that I've never seen before, and it's something that you wouldn't normally be given the chance to see.